This week, it's almost 80 years since the start of the Blitz. To mark the anniversary, Ancestry has commissioned 80 pieces of art showing the life during the Blitz and the Second World War as it has never been seen before.
I think the 80th anniversary of the Blitz is important because as less people are still alive that were alive during the war, it's important to not forget what happened.
Artists around the UK have helped us to bring to life the untold stories from the areas where the Blitz hit the hardest, so we can see what life was really like for the people living on the home front, and the true British spirit that shone throughout the Second World War.
The World War II record I am reimagining is a story of Mrs. Susan Florence Harris, a female ambulance driver.
I'm drawing the story of an ARP warden during the Blitz. I'm trying to see through the eyes of the people who witnessed her heroics.
These photographic records stood out to me as they beautifully capture people coming together to find moments of happiness in troubling times.
Once I pick the colour palette, I just start blocking out the colour quite roughly and then just keep building up detail until the finished piece is created.
By preserving these stories in a new and engaging way for the next generation of our families, we hope we can bring to life the everyday untold stories of people from around the country and encourage people now to discover their connection to the Blitz and the Second World War.
What I liked about this project was it was focusing on the people who were not on the front line and the everyday people who were kind of trying to carry on their normal lives with the war going on.